you actually died. You actually died.
Like, what do you mean?
Like if all your Pokemon died and the Pokemon attacked you, you actually died and you had to start over.
Oh. Oh. That'd be embarrassing. No, you don't die.
You try and run away.
Yeah, no, you just get defeated and you have to pay your trainer. Is that a giant anthill? I don't know. This place is so nice, man. Except for that ruins everything. Hummingbirds.
That branch is moving, see it?
No.
It's moving in the wind.
You're dumb. Well, we're getting in some tight paths here.
Jesus, I feel like a snake can jump out and bite me anytime. Spider, don't say spider.
Oh, weave spider.
Lizard.
What?
Lizard.
Where? I don't see no lizard. Orb weave spider. You know what an orb weave? You know what kind of web an orb weave spider spins, right?
I don't want to.
Ever seen Spider-Man? They spin those really nice, perfectly round webs.
Okay.
You know, the really nice looking ones.
Stay away from them, right?
No, they're not gonna harm you. I mean, they don't jump or
Are you
anything.
recording?
Yes,
Why?
because I can.
You're retarded.
You're scared. Watch, I'm gonna look for one so I can show you. There'd be one like right there. See, he'd like build his web right there in the middle of the... Yeah, I can tell you there's lots of grass spiders everywhere. Funnel web weavers, also known as. Oh look, there's one hanging right there. I'm just kidding, it's not. It's not, I'm just kidding, it's a little flower. There's a coyote. Shh. Watch out for coyotes. It got quiet. I like it.
Right there.
Oh, nice. That was a rabbit.
Oh, why is it
Whitetail rabbit. I don't know. That was a rabbit. Oh, there's something up here. Oh my Jesus.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
That's a fox squirrel, huh? Fox squirrel?
There he is. Hey. Hey. Hi.
Where is he? There he is.
He's eating.
What is he, fox squirrel? Yeah?
Hi.
I think so. He's red. He's like reddish.
Hey, buddy. Go under.
Yeah, he's a fox squirrel. Alright, fine, jeez. He poops on me, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, he's scared.
You scared him away, man.
What is that black thing?
I don't wanna know.
It's a pile of crap.
Ew.
Monkeys throw it. What is that? Oh, it's another squirrel.
Ah, so shaky.
It's a ferret.
A ferret?
Looks like a ferret.
Look on the camera. Check it out. That's not a squirrel.
It looks like a fox.
What does the fox say?
Yeah, baby fox.
I want to keep the camera on him so when he runs, I'll... That's not a fox. You're crazy if you think that's a fox.
What is that?
I think it's a gopher. Or a rat.
It is a squirrel.
He's not a fox squirrel, though. He's a different species.
Hi,
No,
buddy.
that's not a squirrel. He doesn't have a squirrel.
Hi, buddy.
He doesn't have a tail like a squirrel.
Hey.
There's something in that. What is that? Oh, another one.
Hold on.
Keep an eye on him. I want to get this one.
Hey, buddy. You got that close?
Yeah.
Get that close?
He was like right here. My hand was right here. He's still there? I want to get it up close. That thing is nice.